Since I'm working as a journalist in film, the pandemic didn't really change my work routines because most of the times I'm working from home anyway. But of course, I miss cinema, I miss film festivals and meeting people. My name is Janka Pozsonyi and my project is called Kontra Films. Kontra is an independent distributor that is focusing on non-state funded, mostly art house films. Our plan is that with the help of alternative distribution and education, which is an important part of our project, our goal is to find a new and yet undiscovered audience for these special films and start a conversation and create a change in our divided country. We also want to help independent filmmakers to make their voices heard. Normally I'm based in Budapest, in my hometown, but currently I'm spending a couple of months in Krakow. Krakow is a beautiful city and I'm really lucky that I can spend some time here, even though it's a bit different than usual, being a bit emptier and calmer, but it's nice and also a bit scary at the same time. Being a part of SOFA has been a great opportunity for me and my team since we are just starting out. And we need as much feedback and advice as possible regarding our target audience and building up a strategy with applications and working on our budget. The group sessions are helping a lot in phrasing and focusing on the main questions of what do we want and how do we want to achieve that. And listening to other project members is really inspiring, how they talk about their plans and the success they have already reached. And every meeting we have is a great push for my ambitions and goals as well.